The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Butler County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, until 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Elizabeth, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Butler around 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, PNC Park around 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and David Bradford House at around 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a field goal, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.